In our quick hit video series, we're going to append a list or merge a new contact list to an existing one. I'm going to go over here to the right side and click on this list and append. So here's where I'm going to upload my new file. This one's going to be in a CSV format. I'm going to click my sample file, open, next. This is just the preview. Now here I'm going to start mapping. And this is just telling Postalytics that it's correctly pulling the first name from your list to match it up to our database. So all these fields are green. And this looks like it's mapped correctly. So I'm going to confirm field mappings and import now. It's going to send me an email when my list is correctly appended. But this was a short sample list, so let's go into my current lists and see if it updated already. So right here, this is the one I added to, and it started with 1 contact, and now it has 8. So that correctly merged my 2 contact lists.